Dent Coin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the latest update of the Dent Coin. What's going on? What's the current price of Dent Coin? What will be the next move of Dent Coin? In this video, I will share. My friends, keep watching this video complete. And before starting this video, also make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now, this time, my friends, the latest price of the Dent Coin in the market is 0.00226 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Dent Coin. And furthermore, my friends, if we discuss the price changes of the Dent Coin, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 week changes occur in the Dent Coin is negative. Only just the last 1 hour changes of the Dent Coin is positive, my friends. Positive 1.44% the price changes occur in the Dent Coin, my friends. Don't worry about these changes, my friends. Everything will be okay. You have to just patient. You have to just wait, my friends. Now let me show you the price chart of the Dent Coin. You can see here that now the price of Dent Coin is fast down from the last 3 days. You can see here that from the 7th 8th July the Dent Coin price is completely going loss. Negative 7.52% the price of Dent Coin is going down. And 0.002535 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Dent Coin. So what should we do in this critical situation, my friends? I think holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. Hold Dent Coin for a long time. I hope you will get profit from a Dent Coin. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.